Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin, a complete troubleshooting solution for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix high ping on Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. The ability of your computer to send and receive signals over the internet is known as the ping rate. If your online games are not responding quickly to your commands or the web pages are not loading, you could be experiencing the dreaded high ping. To have a smooth and reactive gaming experience, you should know how to fix high ping and get your system working properly. Now I'm going to show you how to fix high ping on your Windows 10 computer. In search bar, type REG, right click on Registry Editor, click on Run as Administrator. Look, the Registry Editor has been opened. Before make any change in Registry Editor settings, it is good practice to make a backup of your current registry settings. Click on Open and click on Export. Then give any name and save as type will be registration files. Okay, I'm not importing settings right now. And if you facing any problem with your registry settings, you just need to import your previous registry settings. And how to import, click on File and then click Import. Now you have to select your exported registry setting file and then just click on Open. That's all. Okay, now expand HKey local machine, then expand software. Now expand Microsoft, then scroll down. I'm looking for Windows NT, expand Windows NT, expand current version. Now multimedia, expand it, and then system profile. Look, network throttling index. Double click on network throttling index. Now the current value is A. Just delete it and set the value 8F. F, F. Look here, 8F, 4 and 4, 8F. And the base will be hexadecimal. Just click on OK. Now go back. In HKey local machine, expand system. Now expand current control set. Now expand services. Then scroll down. Look, this one, TCP IP. Then expand it. Then expand parameters. Now expand interfaces. This is all the interfaces on your computer. You have to check in which interface your IP address is. I'm just clicking first one. Look here, the DHCP IP address, my computer IP address, this one, and you can verify it. Okay, to verify, just click on CMD, open command prompt, type ipconfig. Okay, now look, this on the IP version 4 address 10.17.54.213. Okay, look, this on the my IP address. So I have to change settings in here. Now right click on empty area, click new. Now right click on empty area, click on new, and click on GWORD 32-bit value, and the name will be TCP lowercase ACK and frequency. Okay, now again right click on empty area, click on new, and then again GWORD 32-bit value, and the name will be TCP no delay, and uppercase and O lowercase, then D uppercase, then ELAY lowercase. Okay, now double click on TCP ACK frequency and change the value 1. Click on OK. Same way in TCP, double click on it and change the value 1, and base will be hexadecimal. Now go back. Again ASCII local machine, then software, then scroll down, then expand Microsoft, scroll down, MSMQ, this one, MSMQ. Now right click on empty area, new, and then your 32-bit value, then the name will be TCP no delay, TCP no delay, and double click on it and change the value, set 1, and click OK. Now right click on MSMQ, then click on new, and then click on key. Okay, change the name as parameters. Okay, right click on empty area, click on new, then click on your 32-bit value, change the name as TCP no delay, and double click on it and change the value, set 1, and the base will be hexadecimal. Click on OK. Now close register editor. Now you have to restart your computer. Click on start menu, click on power, and then click on restart. After restarting your computer, hope your problem has been solved. The high ping rate has been fixed. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.